Morning, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jimbo of the YouTube channel JB Wonders, and today we're at a pretty small but magnificent waterfall. It's called Gushing Waterfall, and it tumbles through a hole in the rock up there. Steve's been trying to put that on now for about 15 minutes. And I say, how to confuse a Wally. Come on. That's not going on. Time is of a bit of an essence today, and there's a couple of bits I don't really want to miss, so I've got to come and have a little look at this on the way past. The light of the full moon shines right through the stone holes and reflects the water vapour to create magnificent creamy glitters. Creamy glitters? Sounds like Cockney rhyming slang to me. Now, we don't even know which way this is, or, oh, okay. Proper slippy, but it goes right the way through that hole, and we've got to walk down there to go and have a look at it, so let's go. Still trying to put his Mac on, I think. Down here, mate. Wow, this is very cool. Oh, that is pretty spectacular. I like that. You can walk right around the back of it. Look at that, mate. That is wonderful. Leave my umbrella there for a moment. Wow, this place is pretty awesome. Just going to have a quick walk round. We'll go around the back as well. It's a bit rainy for swimming and stuff, but a few things to do today and a long drive, so okay, so it's 2 meters deep. Doesn't say no swimming, I don't think, but you've got to be careful. Look, it's even very deep through here. Look. What's a little bit worrying about this weather though is I actually came to this district specifically to go to a place called Spurting National Park to see the cave art and rock formations. Now, I think today could be the last day. I have to get Steve back for work tomorrow, so I know it's shitty weather, but I'm going to go anyway. And bringing to you the latest Yorkshire fashion is Mr. Steve Walker. Steve, what have you got to say about this tremendous place?
Excellent. Great find, Jim. Great find.
You look a bit like E.T. in a good way.
Go home.
It looks a bit flooded over there, so we're going to see if there's a way through, or I'm going to see if there's a way through to get around the other side. Look. Wow, that's a pretty mad view anyway. Look, get right behind it. Look at that. Oh, I can feel the force. Can you feel the force? Can you feel the force? Two things spring to mind. Don't go chasing waterfalls. I used to love a bit of Lisa Left Eye Lopez, rest in peace, and Stone Roses, Waterfall. Look, you can see the massive rock up there. It's beautiful. Really unique place, and I can get all the way around the back. Let me show you. Hey, no problem. Look at that. Just suddenly thought, what's behind me? But let's give you every view. Look at that! Happy I made the stop. See, when it's a really wet day, you're feeling a bit demoralised and you think, where can I go today? Pick a place where somebody once said to me, some waterfalls are better when it's raining. They really are. This, I think, is a case in point. I'm not going to go all the way up. This is well slippy up here. Oh, into a cave. Wow. Again, it's quite refreshing being in this region. No safety rails or anything like that, but as an adult, why would you need one? You do need to err on the side of caution. Of course, look, it's dirt and rock, it's raining today, so just don't act too foolishly, really, and it's a beautiful place to come. Definitely could bring the whole family here. Like I said, you don't come here just for this place. We're going to go to Soi Sawan Waterfall next. So much to see in this little district of Kong Chiam. Wonderful spot. Make our way back down and back round. I love it under the bottom of that waterfall though, it's fantastic. And there's no signs here saying no swimming. I think that bit's sort of out of bounds because of all the roots and everything, but I'd imagine, knowing Thailand as I do, that people probably do swim here. I would like to see someone doing it first, to be honest, because you know, there's no rangers, there's no guards, the power of that water is really strong. Yeah, if I saw someone doing it, happy days, but I don't think so. Let's go and check out the upper levels in a minute. First, we'll go below it a bit for a bit. Wonderful spot. Anyway, wish me luck. This is the slippy bit. I'm going to put this down. Holy waterfall, Batman! What a place, really. Yet another awe-inspiring place. Every time I come to the far-flung reaches of Isan, I'm always impressed. From Bung Kan, right up in the northeast of it, or of the province, right the way up and down the Mekong both ways. I'm going to do this entire river one day. Watch this space. Hoopity hoopla, Christopher Reed. No, wrong place, wrong time. It's a waterfall. Dung, 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 dung. Oh, sorry if I'm heavy breathing. I've just walked up. Oh, not many steps. Got to be careful here. A bit. I don't want to get too close. So look, that's the hole. And that's where the major waterfall comes. That's where the water comes through, and that's what makes it look so good, that rock feature there. People, don't let a rainy season, don't let a rainy day affect your time here. Change your plan slightly, crack on. I wonder how many idiots go right next to that hole. That's dangerous if you do. See if I just get a slightly better angle. Oh, to be fair, I'm not going to, but you could walk on there, look. If you're a dum-dum, you could, look. You could sit in the middle there. Couldn't you, look? You could sit in the middle there. Shall I? No, I'm not going in there, mate. No, no, no. One slip and you're in trouble. I'm too old for that shit, I think. See if there's anything else up here. Okay, it's the same sort of holes as just up there in the river at Sampan Bok. Wow, that's really nice actually. Whoa, that's super slippy, mate. And as Bernard Matthews used to say, beautiful. Right, okay, you can walk over there as well, look, won't be too difficult. There's probably a couple of good hikes from here, but so much to do and so little time. Did enjoy that video at Sengchang Waterfall. Join me on the next one. Cheers. People bang on about unseen Thailand, but you know, when you want to, you know when a place hasn't been or isn't visited too much when the car park's like this, look. She just said, yeah, tell your friends, tell people about this place. So here we've done it, Sengchang Waterfall. Have a butcher's. Look at that, mate. You ain't getting your Ferrari up here though, guys. So if you do have one of those kind of cars, don't bring it here. But you know that O can handle anything like this. OMG.